Of my life, 19 years, I know is too short for someone, but for me, it's normal. And I never realized how much I relate, how good relationship between me and nature. When I was young, I born in this place, in a little city that has abundant nature, animal, plant, and fresh water in the scene. The first occupation that I know is gardener, agriculture. See, the nature is important to me, and I'm so close with it. But I never think about this. I am so sorry that I never thankful of this gift from this planet. As we know, trees breathe oxygen when they use energy from the sunlight to make glucose from carbon dioxide and water. And the human must use oxygen for breathing, but living in everyday life. But have you ever think about how much this planet gives you? What are you thinking about now? Of course, it's not just oxygen, it has water, food, plants, trees for you to build a house. Do you ever feel free when you spend time in nature? You would have probably noticed that you feel happier out there than in the city that has a lot of buildings. And when holiday is coming, why you plan to travel at the beach, at the mountain? I guess you all know the answer. We all need to take time with nature. When we tired, when we step full, when we stretch out, what if this planet does not have nature anymore? What human gonna do? Do you prefer to take a break among the thousand buildings or building the carbon dioxide? I'm so worried about us. Can I answer this question from me? Are you being sad, crying about why I'm not take care about nature? I mean, plant the nature, plant the tree, grow them, and make them much in the world. I will feel so sorry if I can't help this world. Now it's your turn. What do you think if this planet doesn't have nature? You will be happy or sad? Or what you gonna do? Of course, you can let us know by typing below this video, and I will read it, and I'm sure everyone will read your idea too.